Here are the first 4 terms of a quadratic sequence. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. You could use the method I show on my channel, or you could use whatever method that you know. But as long as your answer matches mine at the end, whatever you use is not a problem. Okay, so I'm just going to go with my method that I use in my videos. So I find the difference between each one, and the difference here is +6, +8, +10, and then the differences have a difference. All right, so the differences have a difference. They are 2 and 2. All right, now the moment you get your difference, you half it, so it becomes 1, and you write 1n squared. Of course, we don't need that 1 there, which I'm going to get rid of later on. Okay, then you draw a table. All right, in your table you have the original sequence, which is 3, 9, 17, 27, and you have your 1n squared, which is just n squared really. Now you're going to find the difference of these. So your 1n squared here is just the term numbers. So the first term you put n as 1, so 1 squared, so that's 1. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. Okay, and it's times by 1, which is the same thing. Now you need to find the difference. So 3 minus the 1, that gives you 2. 9 minus 4, that gives you 5. 17 minus 9 is 8. 27 minus 16 is 11. Now you have a sequence. This sequence here should be a linear sequence, and you just find the difference between each term. Okay, so that's +3, +3, +3, and then you write 3n, and then you go backwards from the first term and you do the -3, because going forward is +3, going backwards is -3. So 2 minus 3 is -1, and you just add that -1 there. Now you just need to put this and this together. So your final answer is 1n squared, which is we're just going to write n squared, plus 3n minus 1. And that's your full and final answer. You can, of course, check any of these terms. So for example, this is the second term, the 9. The 9 here is the second term. If I do n as 2, okay, so 2 squared plus 3 times 2, which is 6. So 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. And 10 minus the 1 is 9. It gives me 9. Okay, that's great.